record with a fastest control line timing of just 21.3 seconds. A moment of pure excellence. And most memorably, under his mentorship, we saw the creation of the
क्या है? कैसी बैच पहनी है? ऐसे बैच पहनते? संडे एनसीसी है, संडे पिकनिक नहीं।
एडजस्ट है मेरे। Jai ma'am, Jai sir.
Why are you late?
Sir, my train got delayed. Why? Are you special? Your colleagues are on time.
No ma'am, actually हम ना रोड पे वार्म अप कर रहे थे पीटी के लिए.
अच्छा मैं लेता हूँ तेरा वार्म अप. बैठ नीचे. द क्लॉक स्टार्ट कर और ज्वाइन कर.
जब से एनसीसी ज्वाइन किया है लगने का एनुअल मेंबरशिप मिल गया है.
स्कोर. नाउ टाइम फॉर टर्न आउट. देखते हैं आज कितने रिफॉल्टर्स निकलते हैं.
Cadet Anushka Thakur, show your socks. You people have 2 latecomers today, 1 defaulter. NCC का रूल पता है नहीं तुम लोग को? Yes ma'am. क्या होता है?
एक की गलती सबकी गलती.
क्या होता है?
एक की गलती सबकी गलती.
आवाज नहीं आई?
एक की गलती सबकी गलती. ठीक है, गलती की तो पनिशमेंट तो मिलेगी. सब लोग डाउन. अब मेरे काउंट पे दाहिने बाएं करेंगे. समझा सबको? यस सर. स्कोर दाहिने.
पकड़ा.
स्कोर बाएं. स्कोर दाहिने.
तुम लोग को दाहिने बाएं समझ में नहीं आता है क्या?
आता है मैम.
दाहिने क्या होता है?
राइट.
बाएं.
लेफ्ट.
दाहिने.
राइट.
बाएं.
लेफ्ट.
अब होगा ठीक से?
यस मैम.
On my count. दाहिने. बाएं. दाहिने. बाएं.
Scene 2, firing practice.
और ठीक. डिटेल सावधान. डिटेल टेक लाइन पोजीशन. डिटेल पिक अप योर राइफल्स.
Cadets, firing is not just about pulling the trigger. It is about control and focus. So pull the trigger intentionally.
Get it through. Why are your elbows shaking? Keep your stance firmly. This is because your aim drifts.
Yes sir.
Cadets, at your pace, at your count, 5 rounds, fire.
Cadets, ट्रिगर दबाना है. कैमरे का शटर नहीं.
किधर एम कर रहा है? बाजू वाले के टारगेट पे मारेगा.
सॉरी सर, गलती से छींक आ गई.
कैडेट सही, उसके टारगेट पे मारोगे.
सर, वो आप लोगों की रेत चली गई.
कैडेट अतुल, आपका भी कुछ रीजन होगा.
सर वो थोड़ी हवा आ गई आगे, वरना बुलसआई पक्का होता.
बस करो तुम लोग. ऐसे रीजन दोगे तो दुश्मन हंसते हंसते मर जाएगा.
Every bullet you fire carries a weight. In the field, you don't get second chance. Here is where we ensure you to right to be trusted.
Scene 3, lunch break.
मैम, मेरी तो 2 की ग्रुपिंग भी आई थी मैम. तेरी हसमत, तू तो वॉशआउट वाला है.
अच्छा ठीक है. Now I have a task for all of you. This is 1 bottle and all of you all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cadets. 1 bottle and 11 cadets. I want each one of you to have a sip.
मेरे भाई साहब हो गया है.
Ma'am, we completed our task, ma'am.
Good shabash. You all know what is the motto of NCC?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Unity and discipline.
What is it?
Unity and discipline.
What is it?
टिफिन लाया?
यस सर।
किसने क्या क्या लाया?
सर आलू की सब्जी और रोटी।
ये सब क्या लाते हो रे? ये सब मत लाया करो रे।
सर केला।
ये सब कुछ नहीं होता रे।
सर चिकन।
हाँ ऐसा सब लाया करो। सर ये देखो चिकन लाया।
भाई कौन सा काम कर रहे हैं?
सर आरडीसी करना है।
आरडीसी पक्का है तेरा?
पक्का?
Scene 4.
ओए सब ठीक?
यस सर।
किसी को कोई दिक्कत?
नो सर।
कोई परेशानी?
नो सर।
शुरू करे?
यस सर।
कौन? सावधान। चलो अब सब लोग धरती माता को प्रणाम करो। कौन पीछे मुड़ेगा? पीछे मुड़। चलो सूर्य नारायण को प्रणाम करो। पीछे मुड़ेगा? पीछे मुड़। दर्शन हो गए?
यस सर।
अब तगड़ी से ड्रिल मारेंगे।
Yes, sir.
उसके पहले थोड़ा वार्म अप हो जाए। तो अब हम करेंगे दौड़ कदम ताल। कितनी बार?
7 बार।
7 बार क्यों?
थाला।
थाला फॉर
रीजन।
दोनों बाजू लग। ये क्या कर रही हो रे? मजा दिया जैसे थे। दोनों बाजू लग। स्क्वाड 1 से 7 दौड़ कदम ताल शुरू कर। सुना सब लोग ने? सब मकरा। ये सुनना नहीं चाहता मैं। स्क्वाड वापस 1 से 7 दौड़ कदम ताल शुरू कर। स्क्वाड शुरू कर।
कॉलेज तक स्पॉट में बात नहीं करते।
और सब लोग हो गया वो? यस सर। होगा मकरा? नो सर। वो करता है ड्रिल? यस सर। ब्रेड पंच चलेगा? पंच। ब्रेड तेज से चल। पीछे पंच।
चटकी लाओ रे, चटकी लाओ।
पीछे पंच। ब्रेड तब।
हाँ कैडेट, अंतिम पद करके जाएगा।
ब्रेड आगे बढ़ेगा। तेज पंच। ब्रेड तेज को विसर्जन।
Performance reminded us of the strength and unity that NCC instills in every cadet.
Alright, let's give our performers a well-deserved break. And let you all take the stage. We've got a few fun questions lined up just for you.
Yes, it's time for a fun drill segment we like to call From the Parade Run to the Mic. We want to hear your stories, your laughs, your nostalgia, and maybe even test your hidden talent.
We have got some quick questions lined up. And we're looking for brave volunteers or victims to share a moment or two from their NCC days.
Sanjay Kandare, 95 batch. Our best memory is our senior Chandru. सवेरे 7 बजे हमारा सचिन नायक सीनियर हमारा क्या सार्जेंट था, उसने कदम तोड़ा। इसलिए पूछा कदम किसने तोड़ा? हम में से किसी ने नहीं बताया कदम किसने तोड़ा। सवेरे 7 बजे रोड़ा चालू हुआ, शाम को 4 बजे रगड़ा खा रहे। टूट गया, खून आ रहा है, फिर भी रगड़ा रुका नहीं। अब वो मेमोरी आज भी है।
You can see and you can judge. I need to give it more. Thank you.
सर आप इतने ईगर हो गए कि हमने तो क्वेश्चंस पूछे ही नहीं.
6 जन थे हम लोग आर्मी के और हम लोगों ने इतना चंद्रू सर से रगड़ा खाया था कि हम लोग ने आर्मी वालों को भी टफ दिया था. हम लोग राजपथ भी चले थे और हम लोग गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर में भी थे. सचिन नायक जिसका टिकट संजय ने किया, इज अ चेरी बॉय, और उसने लीड किया था अपना 97 का प्लेटून. वो एक जबरदस्त मेमोरी था. और हमारा इसमें ऐसा था कि मैं बाजू में ही रहता था, लेकिन फिर भी लेट होता तो मैं बोलता था कि सर मैं कल्याण से आया हूँ, और फिर मेरा पहले ही रगड़ा चालू हो जाता था. और मेरा कॉमन एक ये था फेवरेट सबसे, सर ट्रेन लेट थी, ट्रेन के नीचे भैंस आ गई.
कैंडी?
मैं जूनियर डिवीजन में भी था, सीनियर में भी था. माय पैशन वाज मुझे कमांडो बनना था. फैमिली से अलाउ नहीं हुआ, अलग बात है. बट आज भी वो जीता हूँ. बाल देख सकते हो, मैं 2 महीने में एक ही बार काटता हूँ. पैसा भी खर्चा कम होता है, भी अच्छा लगता है. आई स्टिल वेयर एंकलेट्स. वो आज भी जाता नहीं है. सो वी स्टिल लिव इन दैट एरा. कांट हेल्प. It's really
Thank you. So, the beauty of the NCC is that the legacy. We learn from the seniors and we teach to our juniors. So that path is continued. That is continued. Still there are NCC cadets. Whenever I see, by the way, my name is Chandrasekhar. I am from 94, 97 batch. And yes, the most prestigious thing at those days which I completed, that was 96 RD. So 10 were there from one Maharashtra unit. Yeah, and one was from Pune. Yes. So whenever I meet with the other NCC cadets from Army Wing, Naval Wing, so they describe that in Air Wing there is really less competition, but it is not. It is not. It is some competition, and we do that very proudly. So the beauty, again I will say, we learn from the seniors and we teach to the juniors. So that's the brotherhood, that's the camaraderie. We continue, so that's the beauty of NCC. But nowadays NCC has changed, now changed. When I was in the NCC, there were no other activities like sports and mountaineering, but nowadays there are very other activities are there. What we see on the stage, that's the cultural program. When we join at this unit, when we enter at the first year, we don't know anything. But when we leave after the C certificate, we go as a responsible citizen and we go with the stage fear, we come over stage fear and we learn a lot of things, what we have done, what we have seen. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I will pass to my senior who was I guess 95 RD. Yes. I learned from them. There are many. Yeah, Mr. Ghorpade is hiding his face. Yes. Hello, sir.
80 RD इधर बैठा है. 80 RD इधर बैठा है.
So good evening all air warriors, I would like to say. Why? Because once we join as a NCC cadet, after that though we are not going to serve with any armed force, but yes, we are you can say the leader over here. We know very well that since we pass out from the NCC, but तो NCC का जो कीड़ा है ना, आज तक बाहर निकला ही नहीं है. Even बोलते ना कि if we are in a civil service, like you can say कि मैं विश इंडस्ट्री से हूँ, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी एक ही प्रॉब्लम होता है कि जो यहाँ की जो पंक्चुअलिटी है, डिसिप्लिन है, और उसके साथ जब हम बाकी लोगों के साथ कोप अप करते हैं तो उन लोग बोलते हैं यार फ्रॉम वेयर यू गॉट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो यहाँ पे एक ही बात पता चलती है कि यस स्टिल द क्वालिटी इज विद वन महाराष्ट्र एट स्क्वाड्रन एनसीसी. And the best example I can see right now, the entire program is run by the cadets with the confidence that what they are making us a cut diamond. And let me tell you, wherever we go, yes, they can able to recognize that something is different from other. That is what we learn from this NCC. Again, I'm saying whatever the things that been shown in the stage, nothing has changed. That is since 1950 till 2025, and again go for another years. The same thing what you can going to see that over here, that same ragada, but that one we have enjoyed. That is the reason some of the people, I think I saw that they are coming from outstations. Why? Just because to meet everyone. मुझे बस वो सब चीज़ें याद आ गई कि जब मैं सीनियर ऑफिसर करके खड़ा रहता था, कैसे काम करता था, सब याद आया. और यहाँ पे सब मेरे फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे बैठे हुए. ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोलूँगा because let me give you opportunity to everyone to speak. But the thing is that right now, whatever I am is just because of one Maharashtra Ads called NCC. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Mayuresh and I would not first ever at ATC camp. Jagdish was the first one official person who got a Kambal parade.
Hello, myself Dhananjay Range. माझ्याकडे ABC तिन्ही सर्टिफिकेट आहेत आणि त्या 3 सर्टिफिकेटवर ओबराय सरांची सिग्नेचर. सर तुमची सिग्नेचर. आठवणी म्हटलं तर अशा बऱ्याचशा आठवणी आहेत, पण आता 30 सेकंड्स 1 मिनिट म्हणजे बरंच कमी होतं, पण ठीक आहे. माझी बॅच होती ज्यांना RD साठी रनिंग वॉज कंपल्सरी. So you go. I'm from 94 batch. Cross country. हाँ, cross country. आणि 6 किलोमीटर 20 मिनिटं 25 मिनिटं हे कधी गणित जमलंच नाही मला. चालू करायचं कुठून? नरिमन पॉइंट ते तारापोरवाल ॲक्वेरियम आणि एअर इंडिया बिल्डिंग टू तारापोर एअर इंडिया बिल्डिंग. तिथे ते मग त्या लोकांनी नंतर त्रिकोणपण लावले होते 100 मीटर 200 मीटर. आता आहेत की नाही माहिती नाही, पण मग ते शोधायचं की कोणाच्या बरोबर चालता येईल का. तिथे लोक मॉर्निंग वॉकला यायचे, मग त्याच्याबरोबर आपण थोडं थोडं चालायचं. मग असं बघायचं की अच्छा आता सगळेजण आपले परत येत आहेत, मग त्याच्याबरोबर हे सगळे नाटक मुंबईमध्ये चालायचं. ठीक आहे, कॅप्सीला गेल्यावर हे चालायचं. कॅप्सीला काय रस्तेच माहिती नसायचे की आता कुठून शॉर्टकट मारायचं आणि कुठे जायचं, ह्याच्याविषयी काहीच माहिती नसतं. तर माझ्याबरोबर एक रणजित झा म्हणून मित्र होता माझा, आणि आमच्या दोघांचे पळायचे वांदेच होते. म्हणजे आताही थोडंफार बघू शकता तुम्ही. ठीक आहे, तर नंतर असं लक्षात आलं की जे पहिले येतात त्यांच्यासाठी पण टाळ्या वाजवल्या जातात आणि जे शेवटचे येतात त्यांच्यासाठी पण टाळ्या वाजवल्या. आणि आमचं असं होतं की ठीक आहे, आता RDला जाणं तर आपल्याला शक्यच नाहीये, निदान टाळ्या तरी मिळूया. आणि सगळे असे मुलं मुली उभे असायचे वेलकम करायला. आमचं फक्त ठरलेलं असायचं, झा आज तू जा पहिले, मैं सबसे लास्ट. तू लास्ट टाइम सबसे लास्ट था, अभी मैं लास्ट है. हा ठीक आहे. दोघांचं सेटिंग करून आमचे असे ते 10 दिवस कॅटसीचे चांगले जायचे. तर अशा पद्धतीने कॅटसी 1च्या पुढे मी कधी गेलोच नाही. ठीक आहे, आणि मला खरोखर हेवा वाटतो बऱ्याच लोकांचा, म्हणजे माझ्या नंतरच्या बॅचचा, की क्रॉस कंट्री हा प्रकारच काढून टाकतो. त्यामुळे बहुतेक त्याला हे नव्हतं, म्हणजे ते वेटेज नव्हतं जे आमच्या वेळेला होतं की कुत्र्यासारखे पडले. म्हणजे काय, कुत्र्याला टच करून कुत्रा पण हलू, म्हणजे कुत्र्याला पण असं वाटलं पाहिजे राहिला मी RDCला जायला आहे मी कुत्रा आणि हा कुत्रा. अशा बऱ्याचशा आठवणी आहेत. हा माईक मी देतो, लोकांना पण भरपूर साऱ्या आठवणी असतील ते पण सांगा. ठीक आहे, हा आहेत माझे सिनियर्स पण दिसत आहेत.
Thank you. I think Miss at the back wants to express herself.
Actually, the parade commander, but my voice is still good. 1989 to 93. Very proud to say, just because of the gentleman right here, Commander Oberoi sir. Under the jurisdiction, I'm very proud to say say I was the first One Maharashtra All India Best Cadet 92. The first girl to win the medal with President Venkataraman at Rashtrapati Bhavan. And thank you to Oberoi sir. When I walked into Jaihind College in '89, he looked at me and he said, "ये बार आर्मी की लड़की नहीं जाएगी महाराष्ट्र से, एयरविंग की लड़की जाएगी." The confidence he gave me, and I said, "Sir, कैसे तुम जाओगी?" He said, "बस इतना ही याद रखना, हारना नहीं." And I remember Colonel Gude, may his soul rest in peace. He polished my shoes at the Cherry Blossom Award. I was the first girl from Maharashtra to win the All India Cherry Blossom. Again, thanks to he used to hate me. Hate became something else, but thank you NCC, thank you Wing Commander Oberoi sir. It's because of you One Maharashtra got their first Best Cadet. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening everybody.
78 batch, One Massa Squadron, because I'm actually originally from Chennai Road, the college where I was looking for NCC. The college was not having an NCC, but then somebody told me, go to Jain College. Jain College, I came here, I was totally new to the whole thing about the NCC. Though NCC, I was aware, I'm originally from Chembur, but all the way I used to come here for the parade from Chembur. And that time, there was so much of issues were there. पैरा करना था, नहीं मिला पैरा करने के लिए, मेरे बदले में जो गया था वो तगड़ी दौड़ के आया। उसके बाद मुझे बोला कि नहीं नायर, by the way, myself SP Nair, and after that I got जैसे बोला कि अपना कुत्ते के कुत्ता भगाने का जो अपना जो मैराथन लगा था बॉम्बे में, वो ग्रुप में 7th में आया था। And that's how I was selected for the RDB. One Massa Air Squadron में I am the only guy who was selected for the RDB. 1978 batch, selected for RD 1980. RD किया, RD पूरा किया, परेड अपना फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर कमांडर भी था। I don't remember the commanding officer उस टाइम था जो आर्मी का जो था, लेकिन अच्छा लगा। परेड किया, परेड करने के बाद एनसीसी किया, एनसीसी करने के बाद इमीडिएटली एयर इंडिया में ओपनिंग आया, मिल गया सिक्योरिटी सुपरवाइजर। I was the head of security, retired as head of security of Air India, and posted in various stations. Last posting was in London, looking after Air India operations. So after that, ये जो मैं इतना बड़ा स्टोरी जो बोल रहे हैं ना, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। The thing is that NCC जो है ना, जो आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं सामने खड़ा रहने का, और उसके साथ साथ तो मैं एक और चीज़ था, आई एम मार्शल आर्ट गाय। तो मार्शल आर्ट में तो थोड़ा अकड़ थोड़ा रहती ही है। चिन अप, स्टैंड ऑन बोथ द लेग्स, नॉट दैट ऑन स्टैंड ऑन वन लेग। वो मास्टर आके सीधे एक लात पे, और जिसमें तुम रेस्ट करते उसी को ही स्वीप कर देते। तो ऐसे दो चीज मेरे लिए जो मिल गया, कॉन्फिडेंस, और एयर इंडिया में भी बहुत सारे लोग क्रॉस जितना भी था, लेकिन वन मैन आर्मी था। आई एंजॉयड इट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So there is a question for the gentleman in the first row, and I'd like to cut the.
Hi, I am Group Captain Atul Gawandi.
नाम ही काफी है।
The first question which you had asked, what has changed? Means पहला जो previous on ground what you see when I started my journey in NCC.
माइक ऊपर गए।
सुनाई दे रहा है? Okay, when I started my journey in NCC, I was on ground. I saw means from footpath, what from road we see everything. हाँ, सब दिखता है हमको ऐसा मस्त एकदम. But NCC took me. Sorry, sir. Sharma sir is very senior to us. NCC showed me the bird eye view. From there, I stepped into the Indian Air Force. I happened to command this unit also from 2009 to 2012. What I heard was, yes, I remember we used to run till that क्या मच्छी वाला fish का taropar वाला. The same thing what you guys did, we did the same thing. With a difference. Nothing changes in that. But one thing I just want to say about, I studied in Marathi medium, and you can imagine coming in NCC and flying for ARC now. It's a long journey, but I want to tell you one more thing. What Wing Commander Oberoi told me that time. He always used to say, अपना तो मराठी लोग है तो हिंदी और ऐसे ही मिक्स होता है, इंग्लिश तो बहुत कम ही आता है हम लोग को, ओके. बट ही सेड, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, एक टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया पेपर आता है, अभी भी आता है, उसको खोलो, मिरर के सामने खड़े रहो और जोर जोर से बोलो. उसके बाद शर्माना मत किसी से बात करते समय, बिंदास बात करो, ओके. स्पीक व्हाटएवर यू नो, ओके. कुछ भी बोलो, आगे वाला हंसेगा ही ना. बट व्हाट तुम्हारा एम क्या है? व्हाट इज योर एम? एट दैट टाइम माय एम वाज टू वेयर दैट चिड़िया ऑन माय चेस्ट, ओके. ही टोल्ड मी नेवर से कैन, मे आई. Can is may I still remember that word, sir. You remember, sir? That may I has changed me so much. Okay? So remember one thing in life, whatever you are, अगर आपने मेहनत की तो you'll achieve your aim. अगर like one of you was saying that he was near India and all those things. Yes, it was purely your mehnat, but NCC has shown us the way. So be proud of NCC, and whatever you do in future, remember NCC is the steps forward. Okay? Thank you.
And before I start my story, I just want to introduce myself. Namaskar everybody, my name is Raj Gopal. And I'm so fortunate to have my former commanding officer, Wing Commander A.S. Oberoi. This is Raj Gopal sir, how are you? And also I'm from the 90s, I joined in 1990. Passed out in 93. And the guy who used to make me run the most is Atul Gawande. यार 4:30 को हम ट्रेन पकड़ के इधर आते थे 6 बजे को, 6:01 पे आपने मेरे को रगड़ाया 3 बार. हर 3 संडे सारा कब आएगा, इसको ही पकड़ो. यार इतने सालों बाद भी याद है यार वो, बट दोस्ती उधर से ही बनती है. ड्यूरिंग परेड बजाय इसने, लेकिन डिसिप्लिन इन्होंने ही सिखाया. ये डिसिप्लिन आज के दिन का है, ये हम ही सबके कैडेट्स जो भी इधर है, इट्स एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल ऑफ देम. And I'll say all the best to all of you all. Very fortunate that we all are here today, and my batchmates are here. My batchmates are there too. Sameer, all of them. And by the way, during our time, when I joined the NCC, I didn't want to join the NCC. मैं आया because मेरे दोस्तों का आया थे इधर रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए. यार सब गए नेशनल कॉलेज से, यार कुछ NCC चल रहा है, चल जाते हैं उधर. मैं बोला हाँ ठीक है. मैंने देखी है मेरी कॉलेज में, पहुंचे, पता चला 10 जन में से सिर्फ मेरे को सिलेक्ट किया. बाकी के लुके, अरे यार तेरे को तो इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं था, तू कहाँ
हो गया भाई,
हो गया. और फिर फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो भाई सब मिले इधर. And incidentally, the best aeromodeling cadet during our time was Varsha. She is right here. So, thank you so much for the lovely evening, and I must appreciate the alumni group who actually organized this. So, give them a big hand. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
RDC.
DSP? Parade or obstacle course?
Tea break or rolling? 5-course meal or bada khana? Aerobotic or firing?
क्या एरो मॉडल्स मफला मारते हैं? सबसे बड़ा मफला वही होते हैं? राइफल ड्रिल और लेक्चर? पीटी किट और यूनिफॉर्म? पीटी किट वाले किधर हो? फ्रंट रोल और डको? Okay, let's continue.
एनसीसी में कुछ चीज मिली ना मिली हो बट एक दोस्त बहुत जरूरी मिला है ना सब में तो we all have found our buddies in the NCC just for them.
no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
आपकी यादें तो ताज़ा हो ही गई होंगी।
थाम के चला और संघर्षों की प्रचंड मुझे वेदों के रेशाओं ने जन्मा। मैं भारत हूँ, मैं ऋषियों के आश्रमों में पला हूँ। युग पुरुषों की उम्मीद थाम के चला और संघर्षों की प्रचंड अग्नि में जला। मेरे परिचय के लिए इतना ही पर्याप्त है कि अमृत स्वरूपा गंगा मेरी माँ। आज मानचित्र पर जो मेरी छवि है, मैं हमेशा ऐसा नहीं था। अनेक टुकड़ों में कटा हुआ था, जनपदों महाजनपदों में बटा हुआ था। और फिर तक्षशिला में जन्मे हुए मेरे एक पुत्र ने अपनी शिखा खोल दी और यहीं से मेरे अखंड राष्ट्रमंडी का मार्ग भी खुल गया। राष्ट्रीय भौगोलिक भाषा में कहूँ तो चाणक्य, चंद्रगुप्त और अशोक ने मुझे बिहार से बलूचिस्तान, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी और तक्षशिला से ईरान तक फैला दिया। सदियाँ बीतती रही, मैं समय के अध्यायों पर कभी दौड़ा, कभी चला, कभी घुटनों के बल रहा, लेकिन कभी रुका
May I request SN Sharma sir, who has been the ex-cadet and also served as the commanding officer of the unit from 2003 to 2005, to kindly come onto the stage. He is a major contributor to the long-standing success of this unit. So, SN Sharma sir, are you here?
I think he's outside.
Just stepped out. We'll call him.
May I call upon Oberoi sir, who led this unit from 1988 to 1993, to kindly grace the stage. Sir has immensely contributed to the unit and is one of the reasons the unit is thriving today and at par with every mind.
I just want to say thank you very much. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day for me. I'm already feeling 40 years younger. I just crossed my 80s and we are feeling I'm below 50. And it was wonderful meeting all of you. And there's something that I've seen which even Prime Minister Narendra Modi is doing. I'm liking the approach of our ladies coming up everywhere, beautifully, as far as anyone else. I want you to come up. I'm looking forward to this. Some of the girl cadets were outstanding. I go to Washington, I see the nurses. All ladies are coming up now. Today, performance by the ladies is wonderful. They are cadets. Excellent, keep it up. I'm very great to be here today, and I must say that I really enjoyed it. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir.
I'm grateful to all these friends of mine, Group Captain Bavle, Sanjay, who've been in touch with me and are contacting me regularly and taking care of me also. Thank you.
And now, I call upon Bhavne sir on the stage, who has played a vital role in the smooth functioning of the unit. We have a big round of applause, please.
Instrumental in shaping the long-standing success and legacy of One Maharashtra government.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is not only about Air Force, Army, Navy, or the paramilitary. There are many, many more from the corporate and other sectors who have achieved laurels for the One Maharashtra Squadron. A big applause for those people also. And is Group Captain SN Sharma here? or SN?
Suresh.
Okay. I'll not take.
Hi, good evening. Yeah, जोश नहीं है. Good evening. Okay. I joined NCC, this unit 75. Okay. I don't know if anybody is there from 75 batch. Salim Hussain was my course mate. We have spent a lot of time in that aero modeling room. By that time it was not like this. It had no fans, only exhaust. Okay, and Salim was a static modeler. That time we had two separate competitions. So I used to be the flyer, he used to be the static modeler. I chose aero modeling because I didn't want to do parade. So, okay. So the moment I used to come, but then we had some good sergeants who understood कि ये लड़का तो शानपट्टी कर रहा है. So he said Sunday no aero modeling, you have to do parade. So रगड़ा दिया हमको भी. हुसैन बहुत मुश्किल से करता था परेड, but we sailed through. But we had a very good rapport with our, and that time NCC RD was not like contingent, it was individual units. So 10 of us used to go to RD. So I had to take part in aero modeling. Then I did that Rajpath walk, and this was in 78. And then after that we came first in that. The best squadron in all India was one Maharashtra Air Squadron. And that time our CEO, late MM Captain, Manchi Captain, he later on left from here, joined Air India and all. But he managed to have a get-together every year. I don't know how many of you are in this idea. We should have, say, a fixed Sunday in April, since our date of birth is April, so we should have a fixed Sunday in April, so that everybody knows that on this day we will have a get-together. Your place and all can be decided anytime, because there is Air Force Station Mumbai here, they got a big lawn, they can always host a party for about 300 people. It's not a very big problem. But if you have a fixed date, like my course, every year we meet together at from 9 to 12th, that is 11th is our passing out, so we meet every year. And it's going on, everybody knows that date is fixed. So people from all over, Canada, USA, Britain, some are in Singapore, they come for those 4 days. So why not have a idea? I said it's just an idea. First form a WhatsApp group, so that you come in contact with each other and fix the date once in a year initially, so that everybody meets, whoever is available. It's not necessary that it has to be everybody, because you will find that over a period of time, the youngsters will get a lot of knowledge from the older people who have passed out, done successfully in life. They will be able to guide all of you, all the youngsters basically. There are a lot of doubts, I didn't know how to join Air Force. It was my CEO who told me. So nowadays it has become a very easy thing, because Air Force has floated a website for it. So that's all I think is to think about this idea. It's just a spark I want to give you, that let's have a get together once in a year. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to each one of you out here for this momentous occasion of the Platinum Jubilee, or the 75th year of this union. And my regards to all the people who are there here, elder to me, and those who are younger. My love to all of you. Welcome back home. That is what I will say. Like as sir just now put it up, definitely that is what was in my mind too, and that is what I was about to say. Please feel free to walk in out here. This is your home. I'm just a caretaker out here. This place belongs to you, and it will always remain yours. We are here to facilitate whatever is possible. However, maybe the venue could be different, but yes, it is very important that we stay in touch with each other and learn from the experience that all the seniors who are here, that which they can share with all of you aspiring to join or not. In fact, it's a treasure of knowledge which is lying with us, not just in uniform but in various spheres. That is the advantage of being in NCC, wherein you would be able to interact with lots of people from other fields. So it's an amazing idea, sir. We would definitely be more than eager to host any such thing, and I hope all of you have been able to kind of cherish or remember your old times, and more importantly make new memories for the years to come. For me, it was a new experience. I never had an NCC background. I am from NDA, so we say like NDA is in our DNA, so I'm sure so is it with you. That number one, Maharashtra ISKCON's spirit runs in your blood, and may you all continue to maintain that bonhomie with each other. For me, like I said, it was a sea change, literally, from Bay of Bengal to, say, Arabian Sea, coming from the islands to Mumbai. I used to find myself wanting to be lost in some uninhabited islands out there. And suddenly found that I'm lost here in a sea of crowd of people of Mumbai. But yes, thankfully, in spite of being in Mumbai, the day I reported here, the very next day I was kind of baptized with fire, because the very next day I was told I have to take on the camp. So the day I reported here, the next day was the camp.
I am Tanisha Kasa. It is my honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this historic day, the 75th anniversary of our unit, 1 Maharashtra Air Squadron NCC. Today, we didn't just celebrate a milestone. We lived the legacy of discipline, service, and unity that this squadron has upheld for generations. Thank you for returning home. Your presence brings life to the stories that built this squadron. Your return has filled this hall and our hearts with love and pride. You continue to inspire every cadet who walks through these gates. To our commanding officer, Group Captain Sangram Naik, thank you for your unwavering dedication and the steering the squadron to new heights. To the principal of Jain Hind College, Dr. Vijay Dabulkar, for letting us host this event in the premises. Now, I would request all the organizing, management, creators, and the cultural teams to come up on the stage. To our cadets and performance, your passion lit up the stage. Every performance echoed the spirit of NCC, and you have made this celebration truly memorable. A special thanks to our ANO ma'am, Flying Officer Akshaya Patil, and our air modeling instructor Jaideep Khopkar, the cadets organizing team, PI staff, and the civil staff volunteers. Your efforts behind the scenes ensured the success of today's event. And finally, to every guest, officer, and supporter, thank you for being a part of this journey. Together, we honor the past and embrace the future. Years to the past that built us, the present that binds us, and the future that calls us forward. Now I request all our dignitaries to please stand up And now, let us sing our NCC song and live this moment together. Now I would request our ex-cadet senior warrant officer, Nestor Rona, to present with our NCC song.
एक सुर में, एक ताल में, NCC song, शुरू।
Ladies and gentlemen who could not buy their merchandise can go outside and buy it now at the store. To 75 years of glory.
This is Nestor.
And and higher ever. Godspeed. Jai Hind.
You may